What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Everything Alex. Now I'm back at it again with another YouTube video. So for today's video, we are clearly doing a makeup tutorial. So just, you know, get in the groove with me, alright? So since this is a makeup tutorial, I'm starting off with my eyes, and I am priming my eyelids with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend all that right up into my eyelids just to set that base. If you guys do want to know how I do my brows, I do have like about 2 videos on my channel if you want to know. Alright, so for today's palette, we will be using this Alyssa Edwards palette with Anastasia Beverly Hills. But before we even get into all of that, let me pre-cut my crease with my micellar cleansing water. So I like to do this just to kind of get more of a high definition cut crease. Like this is like a cut crease in HD. You feel me? Like, you know, if you want to be a pro at makeup, you would do this. I know a lot of people, they either use the micellar water, or they use spirit gum remover, or they use Vaseline. So now to get into the crease cuttage, I will be using the P. Louise blank canvas base. So today's colors that I will be using from this Alyssa Edwards palette is the Texas Made, that's like the pink shade, a bright pink shade, Dream It, and that's a blue shade, and then Believe, which is a purple shade. Honestly, this is my first time really using this palette since I recently got it, and I'm here for it. I'm here for the packaging. I know I'm late, but better late than never, baby. Okay, so like I said, we're going in with that blue shade, Dream It, into the inner corner. Before we do get any further in this video, please make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe. You know, all of that, hey, all of that, hey, all of that, hey, all of that. And make sure you do keep supporting Culture All 2020, you know, gang, 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 can't stop, hey, won't stop, hit it for me, let me stop playing with y'all. But yeah, get into this look, get into the 18, like, comment, and subscribe, you already know. So now I'm gonna go in with that pink shade Texas Made, and I'm just going to, you know, fill in that little middle section of my eye. I'm sorry guys, like I feel like I'm not like MUA correct what I be saying terms, but honestly I don't give a flying rat's behind. Okay, I just don't care. Like, y'all just need to get into this look. That's really all that really matters, is that y'all get into this look. You feel me? So like, bear with me. I'm trying to be like politically makeup-y correct, but you know, how it comes out is how it comes out, as long as it, you know, gets done. You feel me? So now we're going in with that purple shade, which is Believe, and I'm just gonna, you know, finish that off. I really don't know what to tell y'all, just watch it. Am I the only one? Like, I love doing makeup, but I really just never have like inspiration to be like, oh well, I want to do this today. You feel me? Like, I don't know, and y'all help me like be creative, because I do want to be creative and like come up with these boss behind looks, but I can't think of anything like ever. So to create this puzzle, I'm just using my Revlon liquid liner, you know, the best on the market. It dries matte really fast. You don't have to worry about anything. So yeah, that's that. And I know that the pieces of the puzzle, like they're not the same on both eye, so that's intentional. And don't really worry about, like, you know, if you see with my little outline of my crease, you can see that it would, like, some of the shades kind of did go a little bit overboard, but don't worry about that, because we can fix all of that. You feel me? We can fix all of that. So right now I'm just going in with some clear lash glue, and I'm just outlining that crease cut, you know, so that we can put the glitter. So, and that's why I was saying, don't really worry about if you like really mess it up, you know? Like, don't go outside the lines too much. Nah, we ain't in kindergarten no more. Don't go outside the lines too much. But if you do, this is where this glitter comes in place. Like, you feel me? So I'm just using some NYX foil play. It's a cream pigment. And I'm just putting that where I put the lash glue. Like, I feel like the little glitter outline really gave it that zing zam zoom type of look. Like, if that makes sense to you guys. Like, it just really, like, took it up some notches, you feel me? Like, it went from being just a puzzle to a jigsaw puzzle. Like, let me stop playing with y'all. Alright, so now I'm just going to put my lashes on off camera, and we're going to get into this face. So, today's primer, we'll be using the NYX Bare With Me Hydrating Jelly Primer. I'm going to be honest, I went ham with this primer for reasons I do not know. For reasons unbeknownst to me. Okay, I do not know. I do not know. I just really went ham, and I didn't want to do that. Y'all see, I was just trying to get rid of it. I was spreading it on my neck, putting it in my hair, using it as grease. I was just doing whatever I needed to do to get rid of it. I just went ham for no reason. And now I'm using the NYX Honey Do Me Up. I'm not really sure if I'm supposed to use this as like a primer, or, you know, it's like a next to next primer. I don't really know. So I just kind of put it on. And for foundation, we'll be using the Morphe Fluidity foundation in the shade F460. And once again, I went ham with this foundation as well, and I don't know why. Like, bro, I just really went ham, and I was just having to spread that foundation everywhere. I was having to spread it on my neck, on the back of my neck. Like, I was just having to put that foundation everywhere. I went ham. So for concealer, I'll be using the Tressique concealer. I just wanted to use this. I got this inside of my BoxyCharm box. Shout out to you, BoxyCharm. And I wanted to use it, and honestly, it was so cute, but it wasn't light enough for my liking. Like, it was light, but it wasn't light enough. So I had to end up going back in with some LA Girl Pro Concealer, just, you know, to brighten that up a bit. But if I was going for like a no makeup look, then this would have been perfect. You feel me? But that's not the look I was going for today, you know, not at all. So I had to put some of that LA Girl Pro Concealer on there to just brighten it up a bit. So yeah, y'all already know the name of the game. Blend, blend, blend. Definitely gotta make sure I get under eyes, so there ain't no creasage going on up under there. Okay, don't play with me. Don't play with me. So to set that concealer, I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me setting powder in the shade Deep 35, okay? So what I like to do with my setting powder is, like, I like to put like a light layer on my under eyes especially. I like to put a light layer on just to, you know, set them right in place. Like, don't move. Do not move a muscle. You feel me? And then I like to go back in and, you know, just put a little bit extra, you know, to do what I need to do. To contour, we'll be using the NYX Conceal, Correct, and Contour Kit, and I'm just using that darkest shade. I do wish I would have actually used more of this. See, the one thing I didn't use more of, but I wish I would have used more of it to have like a deep, like a little schmeeshy, little deeper contour. But you know, you win some, you lose some. You gotta do what you gotta do. And to set that contour, I'll be using my Black Radiance Hydrating Powder Foundation in the shade Chocolate Walnut. I'm gonna be honest, some of these like darker shades that companies be having for like powder or whatever they be doing, they be real like ashy, and they be like lackluster. They be like mad ashy, and I'm not here for it. I'm not even that color, you feel me? But to even use it as a contour, it's like mad ashy. For bronzer, I'll be using my Morphe Glamour Bronze in the shade Phenon. Okay, I have not put this bronzer down since I got it, so go copy some of that Morphe Glamour Bronze. Okay, if you are a beginner in makeup, I mean, I feel like I'm still a beginner in makeup, but if you're a beginner in makeup, Morphe will be your best friend. NYX, NYX, whatever y'all want to call them, they'll be your best friend as well. As you can tell, I have their products. And for blush, I'll be using the NYX Sweet Cheeks blush in the shade Red Riot. Start a riot. And to like put all that together, I'll be using my Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. This setting spray have like little diamond minerals or whatever, like sparkly dusty minerals inside of it, so I love it. Highlighting is my favorite part, so we'll be using the Benefit Tickle highlighter in the shade, oh yeah, the shade is Tickle, so it's a Benefit highlighter in the shade Tickle. Tickle me pink, don't play with me. That highlighter did not come to play today. Like, I don't even remember it being that pigmented, but it did not come to play at all. Now onto these lips, just to finish up this look. I'm using like a mauve lip pencil, and I'm just gonna outline my lips. And then I'm using a liquid, a lip gloss in the shade Via Condati, and it's from, I don't know how you pronounce this company, Joyer. I really did like this color. I like relatively darker lip glosses and like lipsticks. I don't like the pinks and the reds and stuff. I don't like that. Like, I like browns and some purple. Give me a little edgy skateboarder look. You feel me? But this was basically the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial just as much as I enjoyed creating it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you have not already, whoop, 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 pump your brakes, hold up, swole up. Okay, like, comment, and subscribe. Like, we shouldn't be this far into the video and you haven't done it yet. So make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you do keep supporting the culture all 2020. We are on the come up. Yes, world's most underrated YouTuber. You feel me? Tell your mama, your sister, your auntie, your brother, your cousin, your dog, your cat, your fish. Tell your water bottle fall like that. Just tell the world. You feel me? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I love you guys. Bye.